So x equals to this 99 comes down 25.2 upon 99, or you can keep it this way also, 252 upon 990, or you can solve this 126 upon 495, or means you can go on solving, and it is 14 upon 55. Check whatever answer is given in the exam, mark it accordingly. Next, rational form of 0.12 bar means 2 is getting repeated equals to, so x equals to 0.12222, x equals to 1.2222 upon 10, 10x 12.2222 upon 10, 9x equals to this, subtract this 11 upon 10, so 11 upon 10, x equals to 11 upon 90. Next, rational form of 0.244 bar equals to, similar problem, x equals to 0.24444, that is x equals to 2.4444 upon 10, that is 10x equals to 24.4444 upon 10. Therefore 10x minus x, 9x equals to, subtract this 24.44 minus 2.44, forget all these remaining 4s afterwards, so it becomes 22. Okay, so 22 upon 10, 9x equals to 22 upon 10, that is 11 by 5, so x equals to 11 by 45. Download Yuvaguru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. We have separate videos for the same. Sing behind those videos and you'll learn them within 3 months. Remember, these tables, squares and cubes are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos: IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.